Hi everyone. So in this video, I shall be sharing with you Fidelity internship test experience. So this company came to my college, RV College in Bengaluru, and it was offering internship in front end development. So they were going to teach us concepts like JavaScript, React, HTML, CSS. So the work was going to be this. They're going to teach also, but the requirement for the internship test was nothing. There was no CGPA requirement. All branches were allowed to write. So let me tell you how the test went. First of all, there were four rounds. Sorry, there were four parts. In the first round, there were four parts. Part one was English. There were 10 MCQs and questions on passage reading, jumbled sentences, fill in the blanks with appropriate like noun, appropriate adjectives, and other things like that were asked. If you have done decent English in 10th, 12th standard, then it is easy only. Otherwise, if you have not done properly, it will be difficult for you. So, whenever they ask English, I hope you can do it. So, practice that also. Next was programming logic and other CS subjects. So, there were 30 MCQs and concepts like OOPS, data structure, computer network, DBMS, pointers, all these were asked. This section was difficult for me. I'm an electrical student. I have not read computer networks. Even OOPS and DBMS, I did not answer everything very confidently. Data structure, I could answer. It was quite simple. Pointers, it was very time consuming. They were very lengthy, and pointer questions are sometimes tricky for me. I'm not generalizing this, but it's a little tricky sometimes for me. So all in all, it was quite decent only. It was okay. I could do this section. And next section was a coding question. Okay. There are two coding questions. The best part about this internship test was the coding questions. We had 60 minutes and both were very, very easy. Both were on concept of arrays. One was implementation and another one was like a circular array traversing. I don't remember the exact statements of both of them. I don't have anything to show you because once the test is over, you do not get the questions again. Basically, the circular array traversing was like you have to start at one point, you have to jump some distance x, where will you end up, something like that. And the second problem also was very simple implementation, anybody could do it. So that was about the coding question. The last section was the algorithm writing. First, they had asked to write algorithm for matrix chain multiplication. And next one was find next smallest palindrome using dynamic programming. The second question I did not know how to do. First question I luckily had seen Aditya Verma's YouTube channel. So there he had explained matrix chain multiplication. From there I read it and I knew it before in hand, so I could write the first one. So this one was easy, whereas this one I did not know how to do it. Comment down below if you know how to do this question. Find next smallest palindrome using DP. I have not yet understood how to do this. So these were the things, okay, in the internship. It was overall very easy only. I was quite confident because English, I think I would have got full only because all were easy for me. Over here, maybe out of 30, say I would have got 20, 25. Coding questions, both were also very simple. All the test cases passed. And this one, I don't know why I did not get this. But I thought at least I could go to the next round. But the result was that I did not get the mail only. And mostly only CS students were given the chance to go for next round. Maybe they would have done better. I think that's what I should think. And the only thing you can get, like a feedback will be just keep improving. That's all. There is nobody to tell you anything else. Don't keep asking for any kind of advice and all. The only advice anyone can give is keep studying, keep working hard. Someday it will happen. So that's all I want to say to all of you also. And this was how the internship test went. And so study these concepts like DBMS and all. If you're from some other branch or if you have not yet done it, start reading that also. So that's all for this video. Please share it with your friends in all the WhatsApp groups. It might help them. Maybe even your juniors, like next year, they might want to sit for internship. You can share it with them also, and it will help them. So in this, English was extra. This is the first time there was English section. I had not written any test which had English before. This was the first one. So English also keep in mind, it will be there. And all the best for your internship or interviews, whatever you have, placement. Okay, bye.